And here we have 473 wind gust. Beautiful two-story home. It sits on a nice large corner lot. Gives us a lot of additional yard space and extra privacy. We have a nice deep driveway leading to our two-car garage and a very functional sized front porch. Their color selections were really nice. Have a really nice kind of, I don't know what color you'd call that. A nice Austin stone. And a fantastic floor plan in here. Good color selections again. Their paint lines are fairly sharp. Very nice. To our left, immediately upon entering the house, we have our powder room. Nice and large, and with our window overlooking the front, we have lots of natural light. To our right, we have our formal dining room. Large enough for even some of the larger tables that they have out there. And our kitchen. Very large. Again, with plenty of natural light. Tons of cabinetry and plenty of cabinet space. Here we have our storage under the stairwell. Continues all the way back through there. And our utility room. Okay. Nice and spacious, easy to move around. Really like what they've done with the living room on this floor plan. With the wall, we have just enough separation and a logical place to put the couch, but it still makes it feel nice and open. And you can see they have some fairly large furniture in here. And before we head upstairs to the bedrooms, poke our head in the backyard real quick. There we go. Alright. So, they have a couple of dogs in the garage. They sound friendly enough, but we're going to have to get that on another video. But as we see, the backyard itself is really large. It's one of the nice things about being on a corner lot like this. We can see our back patio. To walk in the mud and try to get in the house, but back patio is a fairly good size too. And with any luck, our light fixture out here would be blocked for a ceiling fan, so we could get one out there too. Carpet looks to be in fantastic condition. No real noticeable stains or anything like that. Like I said, the paint is fantastic. You'd never know that there are two small kids living here. And as we continue up the stairs, we have a little landing. Nice and large enough for a couple of smaller tables. And our full-size bathroom shared by the two bedrooms. Laminate floors, sculptured marble, and a nice tub with tile on the back. And of course, the master bedroom. Nice ceiling treatment, gives us a little bit of extra height. Beautiful windows. And we can see here they have a nice large California king bed. Some pretty large furniture. But it all fits and it all does so spaciously. And of course, the master bath with double vanity. We have a combination tub and shower with a nice large garden tub, which is really nice. Good sized linen closet and water closet. And of course, our walk-in closet. Stretches back behind the sink just a little bit to give us just a little bit of extra space. And so concludes the tour of 473 Wind Gust.